My lord, I would like to bring to your lordship's kind notice from the bar itself. Incident took place on 25th April, last Friday, at around 4:45 p.m. All my learned friends who is having their chamber at 6 Old Post Office Street, they were carried out by hordes of people in the name of, in the garb of certain case. They not only abused them, heckled them, assaulted them in front of police, but they demean Honorable Justice Biswajit Basu. My lord, kindly take cognizance of this and kindly seek report from either OC Hare Street or CP Lal Bajar. My lord, several complaints have been lodged.
Friday at about 7:15 p.m. Mr. Bikram Banerjee had come to the chambers of the OSD, narrating about that he is not able to go to his chamber, etc. And he made a representation. I put it to the Registrar General to do the needful. She has immediately informed the OC as well as the DC of the area. In that endorsement, I said to inform the Learned Advocate General and request his intervention in the matter. I was informed subsequently about 8:15. The Advocate General, Learned Advocate General, had gone to that particular place with this police or somebody else, and then they sent a couple of photographs saying that the entire mob has been cleared and the road is free. This is what I know, and this is what I did at about 7:30 p.m. on Friday. In today's newspaper, whichever I buy, that Statesman and Times of India, they have not reported anything about this incident. If you want something to be done, please bring it on record in the form of...
It is on record. The pen drive is with us, my lord.
No, are you filing a petition?
Yes, petition. I seek, my lord, I mentioned the matter before the Honorable Single Judge, my lord, because his lordship's refusal to vacate the stay, my lord, set the Thames on fire on the Friday. Now, my lord, the attitude...
See, the thing is, sir, it's a judicial order.
Correct. So, my lord,
if your clients are the opposite party...
It is not my client. We are not personally interested.
All
the
right.
person, my lord,
So people can't take law into their hands.
No, I am not saying so. I am the petition that has been affirmed. Our role is, my lord, at best, my lord, informer and relative.
Yes.
Number one. Number two, the pen drive, my lord, which is with us, my lord, this might, my lord, encourage your lordship or inspire confidence that the way, the manner in which the entire incident was orchestrated, my lord, it is clearly an onslaught, my lord, on the independence of the judiciary. My lord, it is for your lordship, my lord, to perceive that West weather. I'm extremely grateful.
My lord, just for the sake of your lorship's...
Only one.
That is better. Kindly...
And who are the people who created this ruckus? People who created the ruckus, are they parties to the...
Are they parties to the... They are personally interested. And they are...
Whether they are the parties in the case?
Submitted before Justice Basu, they were the petitioner. They are the respondents.
Are you sure?
Yes, because the interim order that was granted against the interest of the litigants, Millard, who assembled there on Friday, Millard created this absolutely...
all right, we'll take care of two situations. One is...
Whether they are party or not, those who have assembled...
That we have to ascertain.
Nobody knows, but Millard, we have definite information with regard to 2 or 3 persons. They were the parties, Millard, in the proceedings. Their interests were hampered. And Millard, it is a fact that they, my lord, that they narrated the incident, they expressed their agony and affliction in the video or the TV television. They said that their rights have been prejudiced by reason of the order passed by the Honorable Single Judge.
Then, if their rights are prejudiced, they ought to have intervened in the matter by filing an application, seeking for vacating the interim order or modifying the interim order. Something they should have done.
That is not there. They appeared in that matter. But the manner in which, my lord, they orchestrated this thing...
No, nobody is clear on that aspect. If a party to the litigation is the person who's seen in the video, then it is prima facie, it is wrong. Because he is already before a judicial forum, seeking to expose his past. And parallelly, he can't take to the streets. Either that can't be allowed, But will somebody be able to identify who?
No, that is this. My affidavit, and we have given Millard name of. We have elucidated 3 persons who were there, Millard, at that point of time, and who were the parties in the proceeding,
and were leading the mob.
There may be a connection between these two groups. The groups who were behind the photographs of Justice Mantha and this group.
And they are stamping on the foot.
Yes.
That is
Speaking, we are speaking.
My lord, bar today came.
Everything.
My lord, bar today came here before your lordship only with one reason. We are scared.
And Millard,
Once I appear or anybody would appear against the state dispensation, he and she would face this sort of things.
But we have this video.
And this is the 144 area. What police was doing? When 40-50 persons get out all these advocates, what police were doing there? The entire disruptions took place within the vicinity of High Court. They had the audacity to attack advocates who were fighting cases before this honorable court. And they are the adversaries.
It is a complaint by Mr. Sudipto Das.
That's good to Millard. He is one of the council.
He has named the acquaintance of Raju Das, namely Rakesh Shankar
Yes,
Chaudhary,
they are the parties.
Yeshta Ila,
Yes,
Birmoni Banerjee, several others have commented,
yes.
promoted and shared the post with ulterior motive further. Who are these people? They are party to the litigation.
Applicant, intervene.
Intervener.
And Millard, your lordship will be amazed to see, Millard, that this group of people, Millard, who created, Millard, this.
My lord, the same fate as countenanced by my lord Justice Mantha, same fate has been countenancing by my lord Justice Vishwajit Basu. Kindly see what they
Millard,
did.
judiciary cannot be a soft target, Millard, by the people who are blessed by the state.
Once your lordship would pass order, your lordship would also
and
face same.
judiciary is the target. And your
Kindly see
lordship's,
what they did.
your lordship's tolerance, Millard, cannot be constituted as weakness.
This manner cannot be tolerated, my lord. And this happened within the vicinity of High Court.
Every time we see that judiciary is the target.
The image of my lord Justice Vishwajit Basu has been tarnished in such manner. They stamped on the photographs of my lord Justice Vishwajit Basu.
Yes, my lord, this continued for 4 hours. What was police
What
doing?
police did? I'm at least 40-50 police personnel are always there in the High Court. What they did?
Tarpaulin was brought by the police allegedly.
Police was playing a partisan role.
It is registered
Yes.
today. So I will take care.
I'm
Millard,
extremely
these-
grateful, Millard.
This we have seen on repeated occasions, my lord. On earlier occasions also we have
Millard,
seen such kind of behavior.
Today the bar is
Inside the court also.
united by its ropes, Millard, not divided by, Millard, any political ideology.
No,
But,
if-
Millard,
if
this
they are-
issue-
No. If they are parties to a matter and they are already agitating their rights before a court, parallelly they can't take to the streets.
Absolutely.
Question is, Millard, ultimate, subject to correction, whether it amounts to interference with the administration of justice within the definition of Section 2C.
That will has to be considered.
Right. But apparently, Millard, it sends an indication that such conduct, Millard, possibly cannot be countenanced.
Sir, you take down and
Millard,
type
it will be
up there,
listed.
huh? The two applications are directed to be registered. Registered. The learned advocates appearing in the two applications. Is it petition or application? Petition. Huh? Petition are directed to serve notice in the office of the learned advocate general, the learned additional solicitor general, as well as on the learned secretary of the 3 wings of the bar. Let the matters, let the petitions upon registration be placed before the Chief Justice for necessary orders.
Grateful. Millard,